Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. The video for this week is going to be my luxury wish list for 2020. You guys, I know right now in these corona quarantine times, we have a lot of very serious, not so fun, not so happy or exciting things going on. So I thought I would put this video out there for you guys because I know I love watching these types of videos, and it's just something like less serious that we can all focus on together, if only for like 5 or 7 minutes, however long the video is, and kind of get our minds off of things. So I hope you guys are all staying safe. My thoughts and prayers are with you and your families. So without further ado, we are going to go ahead and get into the video. But first of all, I would like to give a huge shout out to Julia for sponsoring today's video. So if you have not heard of Julia, they are an online jewelry boutique that focuses on very like high-end luxury fashion jewelry. So if that's anything that you're interested in, we will be sure to link the website down below here. And then I'll go ahead and show you the item that they were amazing enough to send me. So it came in this gorgeous packaging. You guys know I'm a sucker for packaging. So it's in this cute little black box that says Julia on it. And you guys, they let me pick out the item that I wanted, and they sent me these gorgeous, cute little like pave diamond silver hoops. You guys, I'm living for them. So they are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They're so high quality. They make me feel so luxurious. And best of all, the prices are really affordable, so you won't have to break the bank to get this look. So big shout out to Julia, you guys. Please don't forget to visit their website. They have really amazing, beautiful pieces on there, and this will not be my last piece from them. So thank you, Julia. Okay, you guys, so before we get into the video, there are 2 items that of course I left off of my list. We will put them up right here. So they are both a pair of Chanel tennis shoes, one in the neon and then one in the black. These tennis shoes are gorgeous. I'm not sure the name. I don't know what season they're from. I really don't care. All I know is that I want them. However, as luck would have it, they are completely sold out. Like, I didn't even see them on the website anymore. So I am gonna go through a personal shopper, but I'm no stranger to that, and that's fine because I definitely wanna get my hands on these shoes. I've been like sneaker obsessed for some reason, and if you know me, I don't even wear sneakers. So what I'm doing with all these tennis shoes, who knows, but that's okay. You guys, so thank you so much for tuning in, and like I said, my prayers and thoughts are with you and your families. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys love videos like this like I do. Here on my channel, I focus on anything real life luxury. So if you're interested in any of those things, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. I love you guys so much, and I will see you later. First things first, let's take a sip of water. It's really warm in my filming room with all the lights and everything. This is not going in any particular order, and if you see me looking down, it's because I'm going to be looking at my iPad just to make sure that I'm getting everything. And we will also be having Miss Bianca insert the pictures on screen when I go like this. So you guys, without further whatever, let's get started. So I really want to try to do this in order, as in like what I'm most likely to get this year and like probably things that are least likely on my list, although I don't think that's gonna work. We'll start off with really big things that I've had my eye on for a while that hopefully, most likely, I'll be getting this year. So probably the 2 biggest things on my wish list for 2020 is, number 1, I am ready for a new car. So I have had my Mercedes now for, I got that car I think like my sophomore year of college, maybe my junior year of college. So it's been a while. It's been at least 4 years. When did I graduate? So Mama's ready for a new car, and it's an amazing car. I may keep it or I might give it to Bianca, but Bianca's not really a Mercedes type of girl. She probably wants a Jeep, so maybe she can have it and like trade it in. But I do want a new car, and the car that I want, I know the exact make, model, year, everything. But I want to kind of keep it a secret because if I do end up getting it, I kind of want to do like a surprise reveal, but I will tell you the make. I do want a Porsche. I want a Porsche SUV. So maybe we'll insert like a little teaser picture here. That's the car that I want. So I'm hesitant to say I'm going to get it this year. If I have to wait until 2021, like no big deal. I'm okay with that, but I would love to get it this year. So that's definitely number one on my list. And number two of like really, really big things, I want to get veneers. So you guys have heard me talk about this before. I'm not self-conscious about my teeth in no way at all. I just know that I used to have braces, and because I didn't wear my retainer like I was supposed to when I was younger, I didn't listen to my mom, my teeth have shifted. And I really just want that perfect smile. I already know the dentist that I want to go to, so number two on my list is definitely getting veneers, which, as you all know, is going to cost a pretty penny. So next on the list, this is something that's for sure happening. As you guys all know, Deja and I, because of COVID-19, did not get to go on our trip to the Middle East, to Egypt and Dubai. So for my birthday in August, I would like to take a trip, and I keep going back and forth. I either want to go to Italy, to Puglia, I think that's how you pronounce it, or I just want to spend like maybe a couple of weeks in the south of France like I did last summer, like Saint-Tropez, Saint-Maxime, Nice, things like that. So that's definitely on my wish list, but it's not really because it's gonna happen. I just have to decide if I want to do Italy or France again. So next up on my wish list, and some of these things, you guys, are things that I already have, but I am gonna mention them because they were on my wish list. So definitely my 2 pair of D-Way sandals that you guys saw, those were definitely on my wish list, and I got both of them. Next really, really big purchase that I plan on making like next week is from Dior. So I am obsessed with the Dior book tote. I have been obsessed with the Dior book tote for at least 2 years now, and I do have my green check-in Dior back there, and I absolutely love it. I don't really carry it that much, obviously, because a lot of trips got canceled, and that's more of like a trip bag, but I am obsessed. I have been obsessed with Dior spring and summer 2020 since back in October when they started releasing like the pre-photos. So I am torn between 2 different book totes, and I will go ahead and put them on screen. One is the Toile de Joie, or however you say it, both brand new for spring summer 2020. And the other is the oblique print, but it's not in that. Honestly, you guys, every time I look up like Dior hauls or like Dior book totes videos, and I let them do their unboxing, and then it's that same tired Dior book tote in navy oblique, like, ugh, it makes me cringe. I'm not a fan of that color. However, we do like the gray, and I call it sage gray, but it's called something else, the gray color that they have for spring summer 2020, and it's incredible. It will match my D-Way slides that I just purchased. So I'm torn between those 2 book totes, but either way, I need to make a decision. That is happening next week. So that is on my wish list as well. Another thing from Dior that I already purchased was my Dior saddlebag in the grain leather with the gold hardware. I did purchase that bag pre-loved, and I'm so happy with it. I'm obsessed with it. My main reason for wanting that size saddlebag, because it's not a mini. I have 2 minis. This is just the regular size. I have a Fendi Strap U that I've had for, actually I have 2 of them. And the first one I got when I was like a sophomore in college, and I literally have never put it on a bag because I haven't had a bag to wear it on. So that was my ideal for getting the Dior saddlebag. So, oh, another thing on my luxury wish list. So 2 things. There are 2 pair of earrings, and I'll probably get these pretty soon too. So I'm obsessed with those Louis Vuitton earrings, the hoops with the LV in the middle. There's just something about them. And you guys, I don't even typically wear like a lot of jewelry. I have my staple pieces, like my diamond earrings that my mom gave to me, my Rolex, my Tiffany & Co necklace, and that's it. But I saw those earrings and I see them on people, and I'm like, I just want them. So I'm probably gonna get those. And then also another pair of earrings, the Chanel studs, the CC, but they're larger and they're kind of like pave. I found a pair on eBay actually for pretty inexpensive. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. Something that I will say, I do prefer Dior over Chanel. And one of the main things that I absolutely love about Dior is that their website is so user-friendly. You go on Chanel, and I don't even know if you can buy from Chanel's website. I've never purchased from the website. I've always gone through like an SA or a personal shopper, but all of their things just say like, you know, inquire with an SA, which is cool. I get the exclusivity and all of that, but like in times like this, during COVID-19 where everything is shut down and you have to order online, like what is this? what is this? It's weird. Dior's website is so user-friendly. It's amazing. One of the things that I have found, just a little tip, is if there's something that you want that you know is coming out, just check every day. I look at the Dior website every day. Like, it's like, I check my bank account, I check my email, I check my text messages, I pray, and I check the Dior website. Like, it's a fact of life. But that is one really, really good way to kind of just stay on top of things if there is a particular purchase that you are looking to make, like a particular item. So, okay, let's consult the iPad and just see. You guys, I keep a running list in my iPad of things that I want. Another thing, okay, there are 2 more pairs of shoes from Dior that I really, really want. Actually, there's 3. So, this is my dilemma. When I went into the store to make my return that fateful day at Dior, I was planning on returning and not buying, but my amazing SA pulled out the pair of SS 2020 D-Wave flats in that amazing stone gray. I think that's what it's called, stone gray. And of course I bought them. Like, they're gray. I wanted them anyways. I got them.
I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it.
Well, they have since come out with the pink ones, which I love the color pink. However, as far as like shoes and bags, unless it's like it's a very wearable pink, like my graffiti Neverfull and the hot pink, perfect example. I never wear that bag. Like, it's sad to say, but I never wear it. So that's my hesitation with the sandals. But I think I would like to have multiple pieces from this Dior SS 2020 line. And I really think I do want those pink flats. And the reason why I say that is because the D-Way also comes in a wedge, just like it did in the oblique navy, but it's in the stone gray color. It's not out on the website yet. I'm not sure when they're gonna get it, but I know that's available. So ideally, I would not have the gray D-Way flats. I would have the pink ones, and then I would have the wedge in the stone gray. So, decisions. So those are the 2 pair. The 3rd pair of shoes that I really, really want from Dior is another pair of the D-Connect sneakers, which I have. I got mine in Saint Tropez at the very iconic Dior boutique there. And I'm obsessed with them. So they have these, it was for spring, summer. I think it was for SS 2020, I'm not sure. But we'll put them up here so you can see them. They're beautiful. They've got like this garden motif on them. Well, on the website, they're sold out in my size, so I don't know if I can get with my SA, and I probably could, and just ask him if he could find them for me. They are a really popular pair of shoes, and I do love them. My only hesitation is the underbelly is like this bright yellow, and I don't get it. I don't understand. But anyways, oh, and another really, really big thing on my, well, it's not that big, but, and I'm probably gonna get this. When I say probably, I'm like 98% sure I'm going to get it. I'll probably get it for my birthday. I might get it sooner. Who knows? I have been fiending. And when I say fiending, I mean for at least 3 years, if not longer, for another Chanel Jumbo. So I have my Chanel Jumbo back there in caviar leather, black with gold hardware. Obsessed with that bag. I got that bag for my birthday, I think like 5 or 6 years ago. I keep saying 5 or 6 years for everything. I don't think it was that long ago. I think it was like 3 or 4 years ago. Say it was 3. But needless to say, when I purchased that bag, I actually went into the boutique thinking that I was going to come out with the one in silver because my mom has the maxi version. And I didn't. So ever since that day, it's always been on my mind, like, I need that bag. I have to have that bag. So I think I'm finally ready to just go and grab it. I'm just going to buy it brand new. I don't think I'm going to get it pre-loved. I am obsessed with that bag. So it is the Chanel Jumbo black caviar leather with the silver hardware, and my heart will just be so happy. Another thing that I've just been like obsessed with. So ever since I got my pair of Louis Vuitton slippers, and when I tell you, probably best purchase of 2020 thus far, I literally, especially since being quarantined, I live in those things. Like, I'm obsessed with them. So they also are very aesthetically pleasing. They photograph very well. So there are a pair of Louis Vuitton slippers, actually 2 different pairs that I've had my eye on. I just don't know if I can justify paying, because the particular pair that I want they're 2000, I think it's like $2010. Those are the ones that I want really, really bad. But I'm just like, do you need a pair of $2,000 house shoes? $1,500, I'm like, okay.
Oh, because $1,500 is reasonable. Like, oh my god, like we couldn't do 2,000, but 500 less to walk around in my feet Oh, my feet don't touch the floor. Oh, you know, I'd spend 2,000 too much, but 1,500. You know, I think I could do that.
But 2,000, that just sounds really excessive to me. Like, even saying it out loud, I just want to tell myself to be quiet. But I think it's gonna happen because I can't stop thinking about them, and that's how I know I have to have it. So let me just double check and make sure that we got everything. Oh, there's another thing that I want, but I don't know if I'm gonna make this happen now just because it's out of season. I have the Chanel teddy sweater in red, and I want it in pink, and I also want it in a bigger size because mine is a small, and I think I want the medium just so it's like a little bit shruggier, you know? Is that a word? Shruggier? But that's really out of season. Like, we're going into spring and summer now, so I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but yeah. So yeah, I think that's everything on my wish list, and I honestly probably had it memorized, you guys, because I think about my goals and the things that I want every single day. So yes, that is everything that is on my 2020 wish list. You guys, leave me comments down below. Let me know what's on your luxury or non-luxury 2020 wish list. I absolutely love watching videos like this, so I would love to hear what you guys think. So you guys, this concludes this nice short little video. I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying healthy. And again, I am thinking of you and your families and praying for you all. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down there. Like, comment, all that good stuff, you guys. I post new videos every Sunday. If you're new here, it's mainly luxury, lifestyle, vlogs, anything beautiful and expensive. You can find it here on my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BrieCarAmour, all spelled out, all one word, you guys. And I love you so much, and we'll chat next week. I'm just thirsty.